Make sure I look better there. Okay.
Hi, we're here on Hi, it's a beautiful day here in Centurion. I'm sitting here with the Media Squadron, Daryl and Carleen. Guys, you are media brokers, right?
That's correct.
So tell us a bit about what you do, and I was really excited when I heard about what you do, that you are so different. Tell us a bit about it.
Well, basically what we do is we go into the media market and we actually perform on all media platforms, where we stand in as what you'd see as an insurance broker, as a media broker, where you come and you have a campaign. This is what you're going to do. We have a look at the campaign, we break it down in nuts and bolts, and then we service you with specialists in those specific fields. So that at the end of the day, instead of taking your 100 Rand this far, we give you specialists so you have a better result, and we can even sometimes try and give you 120 Rand value for your 100 Rand.
Even though you are also making something out of the margin.
Yes, we've got our project management fee, and that's the nice thing about being a specialist in an industry. You get the other specialists that partner with you, bring them on board, and because you've got a partnership, you get a better rate.
Okay.
So if you had to go to a specific industry, they charge you flat out. But because we've got partners, we service them with a lot of clients, we get a better rate.
Yeah,
so we oftentimes work our rate into theirs, so that at the end of the day, you're not even feeling it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
So the great thing is, you are not all things to all people. You don't try and do it all yourself. You get the right people for a specific situation, and then the client gets a better deal.
Yeah, so we end up project managing.
Yeah.
And making sure that the client gets the result that he wants. So we specialize in that by using specialists in their specific industries.
Okay, great. And the type of media that you generally use?
Well, we are in-house, we specialize in radio.
Right.
But radio is made up of a whole lot of other components as well. Okay. So with time, we kind of expanded into the other media as well. So we do TV, and we also do outdoor billboards, print media. So we really do cover all the different types of media, as well as online. But like you mentioned, we collaborate with other companies that are specialists in their field in order to make it easier for us to project manage, because they understand how it works and how to roll it out, and we just project manage the whole thing.
I think part of the key that makes us different is when we sit down with our clients, we don't necessarily just want to brief, we want to do an interview with you.
Right.
I need to understand who you are, what's your product, what's your service that you have to offer. Yeah. You need to sell your dream, your vision, your goals, your ambitions, your strategy forward to me so that I buy into it. Once I feel your passion, once I have that same passion, now we can both look in the same direction and say, so from a creative perspective, this is where we can go for you. We can, instead of using a national radio station, we can now break it down to using a local radio station.
Yes.
So we'll save you money on that, but also give you a more specialized target market. So you obviously get more return for the less money you spend.
Correct, yes. Okay. And you were at one of our workshops the other day, on Friday, I think, right?
Yes, Friday, just a week ago.
And Carleen, you told me that you had some really great results from the workshop. Can you tell us a bit about it?
Yes, and it was actually quite, as I also said, it was like liberating, but scary at the same time, because the results were just phenomenal. I thought I would start it during the weekend, just to get a feel for it. And by Monday we already had one meeting set up. By Wednesday our whole week was filled up, because on Monday I got him involved and we did it together. We literally sat on Monday and all we did was send out our invitations, connect with people, and that's all we did.
That's on LinkedIn, right?
That's on LinkedIn.
Okay.
Like I said, by Wednesday Daryl said to me, look, let's just stop now. Let's stop connecting with people, because people were so receptive and interactive, and we still have meetings now for the next 2 weeks.
Oh, fantastic!
Yeah.
Just from a few hours work.
Yes,
just from Monday, sitting there, just doing all of that.
I'll be honest with you, and I feel bad about it. I have a few inboxes that I still haven't gotten down to replying to, so I'll send my follow-up mail very soon, as soon as I can breathe. But
I also
right
told
now,
you, yeah, I'm also scared of even looking at my phone now because it's me.
so it was a very good, successful workshop. We've really gained a lot of insights from that, and it has literally boomed us to a point where we have to like, whoa, stop connecting. Let's first service the clients we currently have.
Oh, that's fantastic to hear. I'm really, really glad that you have that value out of it. So, people, the Media Squadron, if you need a multi-channel campaign, media campaign, radio, TV, billboards,
outdoor activations,
channels,
events, promotions, the works, whatever you can think of to try and get your brand out there, come and have a chat with us. We'll consult you. We'll say for your buck, we suggest rather consider this for more effective value for your 100 rand.
Fantastic, thanks.
We also ensure that we walk the path with our clients, so we often have a whole project roll out and a project plan for them to also ensure that they start the right way and we take them through until the end. So we break it down into phases, and that way we walk the path with them, we grow with them.
Okay,
And
fantastic.
if I'm not mistaken, I think we're probably going to be the only, I speak under correction, but so far as I understand, we're probably the only brokerage, media brokerage for that matter, that goes out there and say, this is how much money we've saved you, and this we're giving you credit on your next campaign you do with us.
Right.
So it works out for everybody. Everybody's winning there.
So there you go. Go to the Media Squadron. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.